how to fix purple screen or pink on your iPhone in 2022. Watch this video till this very end because you don't want to miss any step that will help you to fix this problem. Please follow along with me, and now let's jump right into the video. A very simple and effective way for solving this problem is to simply force restart your iPhone. So simply force restarting your iPhone. How to force restart an iPhone? You need to press and release the volume up button. So press and release the volume down button, volume up button, and volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the screen turns off and then turns back on. And now you can release the side button when the Apple logo appears. If you have an iPhone 7, then you need to press and hold both volume down button and the side button until you see the Apple logo. Now if you have an iPhone 6 or iPhone SE, now you need to press and hold both of the sleep wake button and the home button until you see the Apple logo. Maybe you simply have maybe there's something which maybe you need to simply update your iOS device. That's method number 2, so please follow along with me. You need to go to general. So right now you need to go to general. Please follow along with me. Scroll down until you see general. Now tap on general, and now tap on about and see, and you need to check the software version that you have, and then go back and tap on software update, and now look if there is a new update available. My iOS, it's up to date. Method number 3 is to restore iPhone in recovery mode. So what you need to do is to turn off your iPhone and switch and press and release the volume up and volume down buttons. Then continue to hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Your iPhone will enter recovery mode in matters of minutes. Step number 2 is you need to connect your iPhone to your computer, assuming iTunes is installed and it works. Now within minutes, iTunes will display a notification informing you there's your iPhone and it required to be updated or restored. You may confirm, click the restore button. Now wait for restoration procedure and to complete. Furthermore, your iPhone will be rebooted with all data lost. So you will lost all your data. These guys are all the methods solutions for you. For me personally, it worked just to force restore my iPhone. That solution, that method pretty worked for me. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. Take care and see you in the next video.